out here. We ain't gonna find out. Shut your mouth. You can go inside. They're here to take the dog, so don't put the dog away. Do not put the dog away. The dog is going with them. You are under arrest.
In today's video, we analyze a real police encounter and the legal standards involved.
On April 11th, 2025, Lincoln Park police officers in Illinois were dispatched after reports of an aggressive dog that had already attacked a mail carrier earlier that day. With prior neighborhood complaints on record and animal control involved, officers approached the scene knowing this situation could escalate fast.
Just leave him out here. We ain't gonna find out. Shut your mouth. You can go inside. They're here to take the dog, so don't put the dog away. Do not put the dog away. The dog is going with them. You are under arrest. The dog needs to go with them.
The dog? You're here for the dog?
Yes.
Why?
It's being quarantined.
I'm sorry?
He didn't do anything to anybody, man.
Animal control is here.
He's on his table. He hasn't done anything. Hector, no.
No, see?
I will that motherfucker.
Hector!
He's just doing his job.
He's not going to bite?
No!
He's going to be dead. He's going to be dead is what he's going to be.
Hector! Hector! Ask the neighbors. We don't do this.
We don't do this. You're attacking this. Why are y'all attacking? I know my f***ing dog.
At this moment, officers are facing a dog that continues advancing despite repeated commands. According to the CDC, more than 4.5 million dog bites occur every year in the U.S., with about 800,000 requiring medical care. Between 2011 and 2021, 468 people were killed by dog attacks, averaging more than 40 deaths a year. A trained dog responds. This one did not. At that point, officers act to stop a threat before someone gets seriously hurt.
There's so many of you guys.
We're not f***ing around with this thing.
I know you're not doing nothing.
He's ran at me. He's charged at all of us.
You are trespassing. That's what he thinks.
Go in the house or go to jail.
I gotta get my
Do you understand
dog.
me?
You want me to get my dog or no? You want me to just let it run?
Arrest him! Arrest him! Put him in
Can you
handcuffs!
talk to Rich?
I need to talk to him.
All right, let me calm him down.
No! Do not let that dog inside!
Richie! You gotta talk to animal control.
No.
That's it.
They gotta talk.
He's going to be quarantined. The dog's not going inside the house.
Can you please put the dog in the back of my truck for me?
I really don't. That's gonna cause me problems. I don't live here.
Just put him in the back of the truck for
Can
me.
you let Richie talk to you first, man?
Okay, listen. This is an order from the police department. If you refuse
Let him come out.
go to jail.
He's not coming
You're
out
not my
until the dog's in there.
dog.
He's going to be quarantined.
Oh, the dog is the dog.
What? Bullshit! He didn't fight nobody.
Hector, Richie, they want me to put him in the van.
No.
It's not a question. That is a
They're gonna take me to jail if I don't.
For what? They can't take you to jail.
Just come out here and talk to her.
I can. And you're going to.
Everybody, please come now. Richie, Richie,
Come on out.
Richie, come here.
Let's take the dog. Come on.
Now, you are under arrest.
For what? No, he's not.
Obstructing a peace officer.
I didn't do anything.
You'll be the next one to get tased. You understand me?
Please.
You're hiding in there. You keep telling her that you're obstructing us. We're here to
the police.
I don't care. They have nothing to do with
all of it.
Fine. So are we. Every one of us here is.
Okay, I didn't do anything, sir. The dog
Exactly.
is not
You are
mine.
not obeying my commands.
Which was what? You said get the
Not,
dog.
no, not to let the dog inside. The dog is not to go inside.
You better stop with that fucking bullshit. You're not in charge here.
Coach,
You're not a
I got you, man.
I will get them whenever I get gloves on.
Here, let me pick them up. So what I was just
You
dude.
got to do what they need to do too. I don't here for you guys. We're here because they called us.
Yeah. I can't put these.
Keep them in your back pocket.
No, I don't want to walk on with them. I just want to put them in my mouth, man.
They dirty. You sure?
Yeah.
Bite me.
Man.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
This case highlights an important legal point. Active resistance is not required for an arrest. Repeated refusal to follow lawful commands, interfering with an officer's duties, removing the dog after officers were ordered to take custody, and threatening behavior can legally meet the standard for resisting or
What I
obstructing.
was doing, getting the dog. No one got bit.
No, you ran to hide in the house while I told you.
I brought the dog in and then he got back out, man.
You came. No, this is when you came in the second time when I said the dog's
I
not
didn't
going
hide in my
inside.
house
Yes, you
for
did. You went in there and closed the door, and let her stand
I
outside.
had the dog with me, buddy.
No, you didn't. The dog was out
She came in
here.
and go, okay.
Richie, can I see your phone for safety?
Yeah, he's a f***ing service dog. All the paperwork's right there on the door. Look.
I can print that off from anywhere.
It's because of the mailman.
He didn't bite the mailman.
Bro, you have it on camera.
I know. He didn't bite him at all. In fact, dude, he didn't f*** with him at all. The dude just took his bag out and started swinging it at
And
him.
he doesn't resist nothing.
Talk to him.
I just let him know to call the office.
What is going on, man? He's just upset because he's helping me find my SIM card.
Dude, that's my service dog. The paperwork's all right there. The dog is legal. The dog is not vicious. That's his lip.
Please calm down so you don't go to jail, man.
That dog is vicious.
You're
He came after
okay. If
me.
he was
Who else
vicious,
did he come after?
somebody here would have been
Okay.
bit. I guarantee
He's
it.
just territorial, protecting
He's
his
my
land.
service dog. The paperwork is
We got
right
some
there.
bad
Okay, shut up about your
We got
service
some bad
dog.
stuff happening here.
What's your name?
It's Sergeant Lynn.
Okay.
Please stop now,
All right,
man.
All right, just take him to jail.
No, man, for what?
That's all right, baby. It's all right. I
What
go
am I
fucking jail.
supposed to do?
To do this, man. You're a bunch of bullshit. I'm not gonna
No,
make
you are a bunch of bull.
Dude, you're trying to kill my dog, man. He's my
Yeah,
service
because
dog.
he was trying to kill me.
He's yeah. trying to kill me, buddy.
Go back over there.
Look, man, dude, he did not.
This ain't my house.
You guys got the dog. The dog's you wanted. You want to? You know, man. Look, I didn't.
We do resist nothing.
No, I'm around, dude.
What resist nothing?
I need some. Let me tell what's up, bro. It's all right, man. Nothing. Just you guys diffuse the matter, please, man. Well, that lady, what's going on? They Hector, dude, with a f***ing taser gun.
Lean back. I'll put the seatbelt on you. All right.
I'll be out. But if they let these f***ing criminals out in 10 minutes, I'm getting out.
This incident is a reminder that owning a powerful animal comes with serious responsibility. Strength without control puts neighbors, first responders, and the animal itself at risk. In this case, the dog owner was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and obstructing a peace officer after refusing to comply with lawful orders. The situation escalated, not because of the dog alone, but because cooperation never happened. Encounters like this do not have to end this way. Training, accountability, and responsible ownership can prevent escalation before law enforcement ever has to get involved. Before we wrap up, I would like to take a moment to say thank you. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and a former police officer. I truly appreciate you spending your time here and supporting my family through this channel. Your viewership and engagement genuinely mean a great deal to us. Please stay safe and God bless.